windows in the car. Definitely be safe. After being home for the afternoon, I had to do the Tesla Service Center thing. We decided it's time to do some laundry. Showing how hard you work. A bigger camera, no, this one's fine. You don't work that hard. But you do, you work pretty damn hard. While the laundry's going, it's taco time. Welcome, taco lovers. We just found this place. Steph found it about a month ago, and I've eaten here once. And now we're eating it together. This place is great. It's little, but great. I mean, look at that. Those are just things of beauty. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a comparison video of the Kia EV6 and the Tesla Model Y. I can tell you right now, looks-wise, the Kia EV6 has the Tesla beat. The Kia EV6 is just a good-looking car. But we have other electric vehicles we could drive, like a Segway. Well, Steph's going to be riding the Segway, but I got an electric skateboard. I know, yes, I know. I'm blood thinner. I should not be riding an electric skateboard. I'm going to kill myself and bleed out. But the pool's too far away. We got to go to the swimming pool, so it's ground transportation. It's going down. It's going down too. Okay, that's enough. It'll go all the way down. See if it brings me all the way back around.
Ultimate lazy man's challenge. Bending under my weight.
No, it's fine. Which is great. That means I can sit down.
Yep.
Here we go. I'm up high. Ooh, wee.
You don't remember these swings?
Yeah. Oh, to be a kid again. We got to do this.
Oh, we can't do no, the teeter really isn't. I don't
That thing is thick. I don't weigh that much.
No, that one's broken anyway. It's not even connected.
Oh, it's not connected. Well, that could have been a bad mistake. Give it a shot, but my shorts are wet from the swimming. Okay, yeah, here, it's recording. So just get down there. Get down there. Here we go. Remember, my shorts are wet, though.
I know, you're going to stick.
Are you going to catch me?
Probably not.
Okay.
Good luck, Sticky.
Oh, no.
Oh!
I did it.
You did it.
60-year-old can slide. I'm going to get my electric skateboard and try and ride it down the slide. Oh, I'm going to die. I'm going to go kill myself right now on that. With this.
No. That's stupid. That's a really bad idea. Don't do
But how great would it be on video?
it. It'd be really stupid because you'd be an old man in the hospital.
Dang it. She won't let me do it, guys. I'm sorry. Swimming pool, swings, slides, now Indian food. We can look at that spoon ready to dig in. Yeah, when you only have like 10 hours of just relaxation before having to go back to work. Now that I'm back over the road, I really don't have the time I had when I was a local, just working in with the car, when I was sick and out of the hospital and just being a local driver. for a long time. And now that I'm back out over the road, I just don't have the time. You only have so many hours in a day, so you have to try and cram so much in, whether it's eating tacos, eating Indian foods, going to the park at the campground. You try and cram everything into a day before you have to come back out here, which it's okay. It's okay, but man, it's all the stuff that you're missing, you try and knock out in a day, and it's kind of hard. But we can do it as somebody that lives full-time at the campgrounds, around the Central Florida area. It's possible to have fun, but I mean, you're not going to go to Universal or Disney and then go out to dinner and then have to hop back in the truck. There's not enough time in one day or one afternoon. So, but yeah, I mean, you have to do what you have to do. Sometimes you just have to make like 3 days worth of life and do it in a few hours. It's okay. It's okay for now. But I just don't know how much longer I can do that. I need a full day off, be able to go to bed at night, wake up the next morning, then go to work. It's hard to do all that, get back to the RV, and then say goodbye for a week or two. It's not hard on everybody, but it's definitely hard on my cat. Cat is, I think she's struggling. She's acting sick a lot because I'm not there. I'm thinking that's the issue. But we're going to find out, because I'll be back home in about 4 days. We're going to see how she acts this trip I'm gone. Until then, we'll see you guys from moving day. Peace, everybody.